Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
I'm well, thanks. How are you, sir?
I'm doing very well. Thank you, very kind. I'm here, ma'am, to do some inquiries with regards to my policy. It has been like 6 to 7 months without me being paying for my policy. So I'm here to inquire if my policy is still active, and if it's not, then how best can I settle my debts, because I really want my policy to be active.
So, sir, in order to keep your policy active, you need to at least make one payment.
Just like that?
Just like that, sir.
Oh, I feel relieved.
Yes, for Zororo Phumulani, it's a place of comfort. So, in this case, it means your policy is under 3 months waiting period. However, you'll be covered for accidental death once you make a payment.
Just like that, you can reactivate your policy by making only one payment. Cover for accidental death is immediate, and a 3 months waiting period for natural causes will apply. Zororo Phumulani, an authorized financial service provider, powered by Zimbabwe, underwritten